Understanding DNA repair, the self-healing language of our cells. Hello, dear friends and curious minds. Today, we're going to unravel the fascinating concept of DNA repair. Think of it as the body's way of proofreading an important letter, ensuring every word and sentence makes perfect sense. If you're ready to dive into the world of genetics and discover how our cells protect and maintain our genetic information, stay tuned as we explore this miraculous process. Before we delve into DNA repair, let's understand what DNA is. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the blueprint of life. It contains the instructions needed for an organism to grow, develop, and function. It's like the ultimate recipe book for creating each part of your body. However, just like a recipe book can get splatters and tears, DNA can get damaged. And that's where DNA repair comes in. Damage to DNA can happen due to various reasons such as exposure to ultraviolet light from the sun, radiation, or harmful chemicals. This damage can cause errors in the genetic code, which, if not corrected, may lead to diseases like cancer. Imagine if a single typo in a recipe instructed you to pour a cup of salt instead of sugar. The result would be disastrous. Similarly, even a small error in our DNA can have major consequences. Now, let's talk about how our cells fix these errors. DNA repair is a collection of processes by which a cell identifies and corrects damage to the DNA molecules that encode its genome. Think of it as a meticulous editor going through each line of code, looking for mistakes, and fixing them. There are several types of DNA repair mechanisms, including 1. Direct reversal. Some types of damage are directly reversed by special enzymes. 2. Excision repair. In this process, enzymes cut out incorrect bases or segments of DNA and replace them with the correct ones. 3. Mismatch repair. This happens during DNA replication. The cells fix the mispaired nucleotides that were not corrected during the initial synthesis. 4. Recombination repair. This is a more complex repair mechanism that deals with more serious types of damage. DNA repair is crucial for the survival of organisms because it helps maintain the stability of the genetic material over time. Without DNA repair, the damage could lead to cell death, tumors, or other health issues. It's a vital defense mechanism that protects us from the constant environmental and internal threats to our DNA. Did you know that the importance of DNA repair is so universally recognized that the 2015 Nobel Prize in Chemistry was awarded to scientists for their work on DNA repair mechanisms? It shows just how critical this process is in the preservation of life. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through the microscopic world of DNA repair. It's truly amazing how our bodies work tirelessly to protect our genetic information and ensure our health. Thank you for watching, and remember, just like our cells never stop repairing our DNA, never stop learning and exploring the wonders of the world around us. Until next time, keep the curiosity alive.